Hi friends, I am here to talk with you really quickly about math for the remainder of the school year. We are kicking off our final unit, and this unit has to do with measurement, and it's a big unit, and it covers lots of information. So the fourth grade teachers have been trying to find the best way to make sure that you have as much information as possible. So we have discovered that the Khan Academy actually has a breakdown instructional videos, activities, and then there's just short little quizzes that you can take. So what I need from you is you must do this in order to get set up for your math, and this will take us through the end of the school year. So um, you must go in and do this. I have pushed this link. I also shared it with your parents on Class Tag today, but I have pushed this link out in Math Google Classroom. Okay, and it tells you all about it. It says we're going to be kicking it off next week, and you must be linked in order to go in and get the assignments. So to join the Khan Academy, all you're going to have to do to join our class is click this link, if my internet will let me, and it's going to take you directly into our class page. And then in the class page, you're going to see some assignments, and you're just going to follow the course of those assignments. Okay, so math is going to be your reflex green light, which doesn't take you very long. And then you're just going to do the Khan Academy for 20 minutes, 4 days a week. Okay, so I'm telling you this now so that you can, and it's logging in as me because it's under my teacher name, but right here, this is what it's going to look like. When you log in, it's going to take you to a teacher page, but it says Mrs. Francis 2019-2020 fourth grade, and then it's going to get you set up, and then all of your assignments can kick right through. Okay, so the link that is in Math Google Classroom, you need to click that link, go to Khan Academy. Okay, there's nothing to do yet. The assignment isn't going to start until Monday. All right, but then you're going to see, you're going to have a list of assignments. You're just going to work through the course. And it's kind of broken down into the different types of measurement. Okay. If you have any questions at all, please, please, please reach out and let me know. This is absolutely vital for you to be able to work on math for the next couple of weeks. Okay. Any questions, like I said, let me know. Again, Math Google Classroom. Click here to join and it'll take you there. All right, friends. Thank you.